Is your Fiat 500 key fob not working? A dead battery is a common issue. This video shows you how to easily replace it yourself, saving time and money. We'll cover everything you need to know for models 2007 through the latest 500e electric variant, referencing current best practices as of December 9th, 2025. The Fiat 500 key fob uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. This small, round battery provides the power needed for the key fob's functions. While other sizes, like CR2016 or CR1220 might fit in the key fob, the CR2032 is the recommended and most common type. Using the correct size ensures proper contact and prevents potential issues. You can find CR2032 batteries at most auto parts stores like AutoZone or online retailers like Amazon. They typically cost under $5 per battery. For optimal performance, make sure to get a fresh battery from a reputable source. For replacing the Fiat 500 key fob battery, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a specialized key fob opener tool. These tools are inexpensive, costing around $5 to $10. Avoid using metal tools near the fob's electronics to prevent static discharge. Wearing gloves is also a good idea to keep the contacts clean from oils and fingerprints. First, locate the seam on your key fob. Gently pry it open using your screwdriver or opener tool. Be careful not to force it. Once open, remove the old battery, noting its orientation, positive side up. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up and snap the fob back together. Test the fob by pressing the buttons. After replacing the battery, test the key fob's range. It should work from about 30 to 50 feet. If it doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation. Ensure the battery is new and fully charged. If problems persist, the fob itself may be damaged and professional help may be needed. Consider using rechargeable lithium-ion batteries for your key fob to reduce waste. Fiat has been testing these, potentially extending battery life to 5+ years. The trend is toward digital keys and keyless entry systems, with the 2025 Fiat 500e using app-based keys, eventually making battery replacements obsolete. Most Fiat 500 owners prefer DIY battery replacement, driven by the simplicity and availability of online tutorials. Doing it yourself saves an average of $60 compared to going to a dealership. Professional services typically cost $50 to $100, making DIY the cost-effective choice. AAA experts confirm that replacing a Fiat 500 key fob battery is a straightforward DIY task. Remember to handle the battery with care and avoid extreme temperatures. By following these steps, you can easily keep your key fob working and save money on maintenance.